Governor Pritzker may have more to say about this during an event on the west side later on. He, Mayor Brandon Johnson, and Cook County Board President Toni Preckwinkle all vowed to uphold sanctuary policies. The Trump administration claims those policies are making the crisis at the U.S. southern border worse. The lawsuit cites the Constitution Supremacy Clause. It attacks Chicago's Welcoming Ordinance and Illinois' 2017 Trust Act. Under that law, state and local police cannot get involved in deportations carried out by ICE agents. The DOJ argues state, city, and Cook County policies prohibit even the most basic cooperation with federal officials. By restricting basic information sharing, federal officers must engage in difficult and dangerous efforts to rearrest aliens who were previously in local custody. The suit also names as defendants the governor, the mayor, Police Superintendent Larry Snelling, Preckwinkle, and Sheriff Tom Dart. Last month, ICE raids began nationwide targeting undocumented immigrants with criminal records. The president's border czar, Tom Homan, acknowledged Operation Safeguard would eventually expand. The administration threatened to prosecute elected officials who do not cooperate. Mayor Johnson responded during an unrelated event last night. He has accepted an invitation to testify before the House Oversight Committee next month about Chicago's status as a sanctuary city.
Immigrants from around the globe have come to this city. Descendants of slaves migrated from the South, like my family did. So why anyone would be threatened by the diversity of our city, I can't answer that, but I will say that we're going to work hard to continue to make sure that working people are well defended and supported in this city.
The U.S. Constitution puts a number of provisions that the federal government is in charge of, protecting our borders, making sure citizens are in the country. And when they're not, that supremacy clause allows federal law enforcement working with local law enforcement to send those people back to their country of origin.
In a statement, the governor says instead of working with us to support law enforcement, the Trump administration is making it more difficult to protect the public, just like they did when Trump pardoned the convicted January 6 violent criminals. We look forward to seeing them in court. During his first term, President Trump tried to deny public safety grants to sanctuary cities and states. Courts, which have generally upheld the legality of sanctuary laws, rejected those attempts. Back to you.